Today we are celebrating Children's Day. This day is celebrated on मेरा नाम तस्मीरा, मैं चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा स्कूल का नाम बाबा पखोरी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल। मोहतरम प्रिंसिपल साहब, असातिज़ा और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हम हिंदुस्तान के पहले वजीर आजम की यौम पैदाइश मनाने के लिए यहाँ जमा हुए हैं, यानी बच्चों का दिन। मैं इस अजीम मौके पर तकरीर देना चाहती हूँ और इस दिन को यादगार बनाना चाहती हूँ। 14 नवंबर को स्कूलों और कॉलेजों में हर साल बच्चों के दिन के तौर पर मनाया जाता है। इसको बच्चों का दिन भी कहा जाता है। 14 के दिन नवंबर के महीने में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का सालगिरह का दिन है, जो हिंदुस्तान के पहले वजीर आजम थे। उन्होंने पूरी जिंदगी बच्चों को ही अहमियत दी थी। वो के बच्चों के साथ बेहद प्यार करते थे। बच्चों उन्हें पूरे नाम चाचा नेहरू के नाम से पुकारते थे। शुक्रिया। Now I am inviting Mr. Mr. Pannu Kaman Justice. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मेरा नाम मिश्रा तंजीम है और मैं 5वीं जमात में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम बाबा पखोरी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है। उस्ताद मोहतरम प्रिंसिपल साहब, उस्ताद करम और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान के पहले वजीर आजम की यौम पैदाइश मनाने के लिए यहाँ जमा हुए हैं। मैं इस अजीम मौके पर तकरीर करना चाहती हूँ और इस दिन को यादगार बनाना चाहती हूँ। 14 नवंबर को स्कूल और कॉलेजों में हर साल बच्चों के दिन के तौर पर मनाया जाता है। इसको बच्चों का दिन भी कहा जाता है। 14 के दिन को नवंबर के महीने में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के सालगिरह के दिन से, जो हिंदुस्तान के पहले वजीर आजम थे, इनका जन्मदिन बच्चों के दिन पर मनाया जाता है, क्योंकि वो कौम के बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे। उन्होंने पूरी जिंदगी बच्चों को बहुत अहमियत दी थी। सब उनको चाचा नेहरू के करके बुलाया करते हैं। शुक्रिया।
अभी तलबा और असातिज़ा इकराम, सभी को अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। जैसा कि आप सभी बच्चे जानते हैं कि आज 14 नवंबर है, जिसे हम यौमुल अतफ़ाल यानी चिल्ड्रंस डे के नाम पर मनाते हैं, खुशी मनाते हैं। वैसे तो हर मुल्क में, दुनिया के मुख्तलिफ ममालिक में अलग अलग तरीके से जो है चिल्ड्रंस डे मनाते हैं। इंडिया में ख़ास तौर पर 14 नवंबर को इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि आज इंडिया के पहले वज़ीर आज़म यानी चाचा जवाहरलाल नेहरू की यौम विलादत है, उनका बर्थडे है। वो बच्चों से ज़्यादा मोहब्बत फरमाते थे, तो इस वजह से जो है यहाँ के लोगों ने इस दिन को जो है चिल्ड्रंस डे के मुताबिक मनाते आ रहे हैं। तो आप सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से यौमुल अतफ़ाल चिल्ड्रंस डे बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, और अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि आप लोगों को जो है सारी खुशियाँ नसीब करें और इल्म में तरक्की अता फरमाएं। ख़ास तौर पर आज बच्चों का खुशी का दिन है। बच्चों को खुशी का दिन कब होगा? जब उनकी ज़िंदगी कामयाब होगी, जब उनकी ज़िंदगी में दीन और दुनिया के अखलाक आएंगे, जब वो अपनी जिंदगी में दीन को लेकर दुनिया में जो है दुनिया का सफर अदा करेंगे, ये अखलाक उनके अंदर कब आएंगे? जब उनके माँ बाप उनको उस तरीके से जो है परवरिश करेंगे जिस तरीके से करना चाहिए। क्योंकि बच्चे तो एक दिन खुशी मनाकर छोड़ देंगे, लेकिन उनकी जिंदगी अगर सारी जिंदगी अगर आप खुशी मनाना चाहते हैं, तो खुश रखना चाहते हैं, तो उनको जो है उस तरीके से तरबियत कीजिए जिस तरीके से हमारे नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने जो है करने के लिए हमें हिदायत दी है। वैसे तो इस्लाम में बच्चों की तरबियत कब से फरमाने के लिए कहा गया आपको पता है? जब बच्चा अपने माँ के पेट में होता है तब से ही माँ बाप के लिए, माँ के लिए खास तौर पर ये जिम्मेदारी है कि वो अपने बच्चों की जो है अच्छी तरबियत करे। अब आप लोग कहेंगे कि अब पेट में ही बच्चा है तो कैसी तरबियत करेंगे? बुजुर्गान दीन फरमाते हैं कि जब औरत 3 माह की यानी 3 माह की हामिला जब हो जाती है तो उसको जभी से चाहिए कि अपने बच्चे का ख्याल कर उसकी तरबियत का ख्याल वहीं से शुरू कर दे। बच्चा 6 साल का होने के बाद, 14 साल के होने के बाद नहीं, पेट में ही 3 महीने का जब होता है जभी से उसकी तरबियत करने के लिए कहा है। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि मिस्र एक मुल्क है, वहाँ पर एक खास शोबा होता है, यानी एक एकेडमी के टाइप में है। जैसा कि अगर कोई 3 माह की हामिला है तो वहाँ पे उसको जो है रोजाना जो है घर वाले उसको भेजते हैं, वहाँ पर कुरान की तिलावत होती है और वहाँ पर बुजुर्गान दीन के जो है वाक़यात सुनाते हैं। अब आप लोग कहेंगे कि बच्चा तो पेट में है, उसका असर उस पर कैसा पड़ेगा? मैं आपको एक वाक़या सुनाते हुए चलूँ। आप लोग जानते हैं जिसकी हम 11वीं करते हैं, जिसके हम झंडे लहराते हैं, वही गौसे आजम, और इसके शहर में आज हम बैठे हुए हैं वही बाबा फखरुद्दीन। जब पेट में थे तो उनकी वालिदा माजिदा जो है कुरान की तिलावत फरमाया करती। जब वो बच्चे थे, चाहे वो जब से पेट में थे जब से ही जो है कुरान की तिलावत फरमाते। जब उनके वालिद मोहतरम ने उन्हें स्कूल में, मदरसे में जो एडमिशन कराया तो उनके उस्ताद ने बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ाया था, तो वो कुरान पढ़ते हुए चले गए। बाबा फखरुद्दीन जो उनके शहर में हम बैठे हुए हैं, वो बाबा फखरुद्दीन जब उनको मदरसे में दाखिला दिलाया गया तो उस्ताद ने उनको बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ने के लिए कहा, लेकिन बाबा फखरुद्दीन सूरह फातिहा, सूरह बकरा, सूरह आले इमरान तमाम सूरतों की तिलावत कर रहे हैं। पूछा कि तुमने कहाँ से सीखा? तुम तो अभी छोटे बच्चे हो, तुम्हारा एडमिशन अभी हुआ? तो बाबा फखरुद्दीन कहते हैं कि मेरी वालिदा माजिदा के पेट में जब मैं था तो कुरान की तिलावत फरमाती थी, तो मैं वहीं से सीख कर आया हूँ। और गौसे आजम का भी वाक़या यही है कि वो जब उनको मदरसे में जो एडमिशन कराती हैं उनके वालिदा, तो उनको ही ऐसे ही उस्ताद जो उनको कुरान पढ़ाते हैं तो वो 15 पारे से पढ़ने की जो है शुरुआत करते हैं। अब पूछते हैं कि आपको जो है शुरू से पढ़ना चाहिए, आप 15 पारे से पढ़ रहे हैं? तो गौसे पाक इरशाद फरमाते हैं, जब मैं अपने माँ के पेट में था तो मेरी वालिदा कुरान पाक की तिलावत फरमाया करती थी, तो मैं वहीं से जो है 15 पारे मेरी वालिदा ने खत्म किया, तो मैं वहीं से हिफ्ज़ करके आया हूँ। तो ये होती जो है पेट में ही जब जो है बच्चे होते हैं वहीं से तरबियत फरमाते हैं। आज आप देखेंगे इस्लाम के सबसे बड़ा अगर कोई दुश्मन है तो इजराइल है, यहूदी है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं जो गाजा में जो हो रहा है, फलस्तीन में जो हो रहा है, आप तमाम बच्चे भी जानते हैं और बड़े लोग भी जानते हैं। वो लोग इतने चालाक क्यों होते हैं पता है आपको? जब वो माँ के पेट में कोई बच्चा होता है, जब उसका मेडिकल चेकअप होता है और डिक्लेयर होता है कि माँ के पेट में बच्चा है, तो वहाँ के जो बड़े लोग होते हैं, वहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट के लोग होते हैं, वो बच्चे के लिए जो बच्चे की माँ होती है उसको जो अच्छी ग़िज़ाएं खिलाते हैं और उसके दिमाग में बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम जैसे मैथ्स के प्रॉब्लम और ऐसी मुश्किलात की चीज़ें उसके दिमाग में डालते हैं कि वो जो नहीं कर सकती वैसे दिमाग में डालकर उसको प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं। इसका असर उसके बच्चों पर पड़ता है, जो बच्चे निकलकर आज ऐसी कामें करते हैं, इसका बदौलत उनके माँ को ही जाता है। नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फरमाते हैं कि अगर बच्चों की तरबियत करना है तो 3 तरीकों से करो। जो है अरबी में कहा है कि सबात व अतफालिन, यानी कि 7 साल ऐसे होते हैं जो खेलने के होते हैं और 7 साल होते हैं जो अदब सिखाने के होते हैं और 7 साल ऐसे होते हैं जो है सोहबत करने के होते हैं, यानी माँ बाप को अपने बच्चों के साथ दोस्ती करने के होते हैं। जो शुरुआत के 7 साल होते हैं वो माँ बाप को चाहिए कि अपने बच्चे को खेलने कूदने दें, उस पर कोई बोझ ना डालें। यानी अब गवर्नमेंट के हिसाब से भी देख लीजिए आप, एलकेजी नर्सरी यूकेजी नहीं होती है, उनको डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट क्लास से जो है पढ़ाया जाता है, क्योंकि एक लॉ के हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो बच्चे को 6-7 साल की उम्र से ही जो है इल्म की तरफ कुछ भी हो बोझ डालना हो तो उसके ऊपर यही उम्र होती है। लेकिन 6 साल तक की उम्र खेलने और कूदने के लिए जो है कहा गया, और खेल से जो है 14 तक की होती है तो उसमें आदाब सिखाने के लिए कहा गया। जो आदाब होते हैं, बच्चे को कैसी तरबियत करना चाहिए, बच्चे को कैसे जो है दीन की तरफ रग़बत करना चाहिए, इन चीज़ों की जो है पैरवी करने के लिए नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया। और जो 14 से 21 साल की जो उम्र होती है उसमें अपने माँ बाप को जो है दोस्त बनाकर रखने की जो है हिदायत फरमाई, क्योंकि बच्चा जब 14 साल का जब होता है तो उसको शऊर आता है, उसके अंदर चेंजेस आते हैं। जब माँ बाप ही उसके दोस्त होंगे, उसके हर चीज़ को समझने वाले होंगे, सुनने वाले होंगे, तो हर चीज़ माँ बाप से डिस्कस करेगा बच्चा। अब जो है माँ बाप उसको डरा रहे हैं, मार रहे हैं, तो वो क्या करेगा, अरे माँ बाप से क्या पूछूं से पूछता हूँ। अब उसके दोस्त जो है गलत एडवाइस करेंगे, गलत चीज़ें बताएंगे और वैसे ही गलत चीज़ों में चले जाएगा। तो माँ बाप को जो है खास तौर पर चाहिए, आज का दिन का समझने का मकसद यही है कि बच्चों का चिल्ड्रंस डे है तो उसका आज एक ही दिन खुशी का नहीं, उन्हें चाहिए कि हम जिंदगी भर उन्हें खुश रखना चाहिए। तो हमें जो है नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की सीरत पर अपने आप को खुद चलने और दूसरों को, बच्चों को भी चलाने की जो है हिदायत देना चाहिए। अब इसी बातों पर मैं अपनी बात को ख़त्म करता हूँ। अल्लाह तबारक व तआला से दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला हमें सीखने और सुनने से ज़्यादा समझने की तौफीक अता फरमाए और समझने से ज़्यादा उस पर अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए। आखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందానికి అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు రూపేష్. నేను 4వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ముందుగా నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు పాల్గొనడం శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు నేను పుట్టినరోజు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం నవంబర్ 14వ బాలదినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాం. మన దేశ మొట్టమొదటి ప్రధానమంత్రి జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ. నేను పిల్లలకు గులాబీ పూలు, అమితమైన ప్రేమ. నెహ్రూ అంటే పిల్లలకు కూడా చాలా ఇష్టం. నెహ్రూని పిల్లలు ముద్దుగా చాచా నెహ్రూ అని పిలిచేవారు. నెహ్రూ పుట్టినరోజు బాలల దినోత్సవం నిర్వహించాలని భారత ప్రభుత్వం నిర్ణయించింది. ఇంతటి అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. జై హింద్. भाई रुको, मैं लिखिता के बारे में एक शायरी पेश करूंगा. हाँ, पेश करो. कवितलु रायबडताई कलमु చేత, కవితలు రాయబడతాయి కలము చేత, చరిత్రలు లిఖించబడతాయి లిఖిత చేత. Good evening everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Nikita and I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today is 14th November and we are celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved very much children and children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children are the future of the country. This day reminds us of the rights and duties of children. Children's Day is a very वेट रुपए ब्रदर, तो मैं माला सिस्टर के लिए एक शायरी पेश कर रहा हूँ। सुबह में उठकर खाते हैं नारियल बिस्किट, सुबह में उठकर खाते हैं नारियल बिस्किट। अब मैं स्टेज पर बुला रहा हूँ मारिया सिस्टर। Good evening everyone, my name is Maria. I am studying 5th class. My school name is Baba Fakhruddin English Medium School. At first, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day are falls on 14th November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved to spend time with children. Children are fondly called him to Chacha Nehru. Children's Day reminds us that children of the future of the nation. They hold the future in their little hands. So children should be brought up with lots of love and care. He always emphasized children's rights, care and education. In the 1964, after the Jawaharlal Nehru death, the government of India announced 14th November as Children's Day. As Children's Day, his love and affection for children were true children. We called him Chacha. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Now I am inviting Photograph Baba come and give speech. Baba, I am studying 4th class. My school name is Baba Fakhruddin English Medium School. Good evening, Mananda, respected your teachers and my related. First of all, I wish you very happy Children's Day and would like to thank you my class teachers for giving me the opportunity to speak about this special day. We are now Children's Day is celebrated in India. In it, our anniversary is the first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal. So it is birthday is celebrated in Children's Day. They are over the country because for children. They are over the country because for his immense love and affection on for children. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Hello. Good evening to everyone. My name is Sakan. I am studying 5th class in Baba English Medium School. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. So happy Children's Day to all. This day is celebrated on November 14. Every year, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14 in 1889. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was belonged to a community of Kashmiri Pandits. He was an event personality of India freedom struggle. Children's Day in India is the birth anniversary. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Shantivan near Rajghat in New Delhi. New Delhi is the resting place of Nehru. Became the first Prime Minister of independent of India. Thank you given this 14వ తేదీన బాలల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్నాము. ఆయన చెప్పిన మాటలన్నిటికీ మనం స్మరించుకొని ఈ రోజు బాలల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాం. నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు నా ధన్యవాదాలు. ఏంటి రూపేష్ పద్దున ఇలా తిరుగుతున్నావు? ఏంటో చెప్పు. పొద్దునే పెద్దలు మాకు సవిత అడిగాడు. ఏంటి అది సాలేక? చేయండి గుండా పోయిన నీరు ఏమిటది? చేయండి గుండా పోయిన నీరు ఏమిటది? ఉండు పిల్లల్ని అడుగుతాం, చెప్తారేమో. సరే పిల్లలు, చేయని గుండా పోయని నీరు ఏమిటది? రూపేష్, దాని జవాబు టెంకాయంట. ఇంత చిన్న పిల్లలు ఇంత బాగా చెప్పారు, నాకు చెప్పతే కావట్లే. సరే అంటున్నా, వెళ్ళేసి వస్తాం. అలాగే Now I am inviting 5th class Sabha come and give speech. నా పేరు సభ. నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు ఇక్కడ చేసిన ముఖ్య అతిథులకు, పెద్దలందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారం. మరియు నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు ముందుగా బాలల దినోత్సవం శుభాకాంక్షలు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం నవంబర్ 14వ తేదీన దేశవ్యాప్తంగా చాలా మంది పిల్లలను కలిసేవారు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం 14వ తేదీన దేశవ్యాప్తంగా జవహర్ లాల్ నెహ్రూ గారు బాలల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము. స్వాతంత్ర తొలి ప్రధాని భారత్ జవహర్ నెహ్రూ గారు బాలల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము. నెహ్రూకు పిల్లలంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. పిల్లలు కూడా అతన్ని చాలా ప్రేమించేవారు. అందుకు ఆయన చాచా నెహ్రూ కూడా అంటారు. నెహ్రూ పుట్టిన రోజున దేశవ్యాప్తంగా చాలా మంది పిల్లలను కలిసేవారు. మరియు వారితో తన విలువైన సమయాన్ని గడిపేవారు. పిల్లల భవిష్యత్ తన ఎదుగుల కోసం ఆలోచించిన గొప్ప మహానీయుడు జవహర్ లాల్ నెహ్రూ గారు. ఇంతటి అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన మీ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. Hello. Now I am inviting Sister Clara Hamdullah brother, come and give speech. Rupesh brother, wait. Now I am inviting you, Rupesh Hamdullah, give the shayari. Okay. फूल है गुलाब का ना उंगली से तोड़ना, फूल है गुलाब का ना उंगली से तोड़ना, जान चलाए जाए नमाज ना छोड़ना. My name is Rahan Kola. I am studying 6th class. Our school name is Baba Fakhruddin English Medium School. Good evening everyone, respected chief guests, principal, teachers and my dear friends. First I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on the 14th November every year. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of Free India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had a great love for children. The children also loved and respected him. That is to say, he wanted to be among the children, talk with them and play with them. The children of family coloring Chacha Nehru, Chacha meaning uncle. People pay tributes to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for his sacrifices and achievements. In the schools, the children and teachers organize cultural programs for children's day celebrations. The children sing national anthem, perform state dramas, arrange children's competitions, etc. In most schools, the children can come in colored dresses on this day to enjoy the function. The teacher delivers speeches about the importance and the duties of children in today's world. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Now I am inviting 6th class Karthik to come and give speech. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ఇక్కడ చేసిన ముఖ్య అతిథులకు పెద్దలకు అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారములు. నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు ముందుగా బాల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నవంబర్ 14న బాల దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా మనం ప్రసంగం ఇచ్చేందుకు నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను. భారతదేశ మొదటి ప్రధానమంత్రి పండిట్ జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ జయంతి సందర్భంగా మనమందరం బాలల దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాం. ఆయన ప్రముఖ స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుడు మరియు ప్రముఖ రాజకీయ నాయకుడు. జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ భారతదేశ మొదటి ప్రధాని. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం నవంబర్ 14న బాలల దినోత్సవం దేశవ్యాప్తంగా బాలల దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాం. నెహ్రూకి పిల్లలంటే ఎంతో ఇష్టం. అలాగే తనని ప్రేమించేవారు. ఆయనని చాచా నెహ్రూ అని కూడా పిలిచేవారు. ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. Now I am inviting drama members from on the dais and do drama. My name is Sabha. I am studying 5th class in Bhavakabin English Medium School. Today I am explaining about one incident using of mobile. Let us see. Let's start the drama of social media. Mobile. Hello, my name is Instagram. All members. Hello, my name is Instagram. Never need to convert their mind. All the time reels and movies.
Hello, my name is WhatsApp. All member in family, grandparents, children, and uncle, auntie, all with us WhatsApp. They cannot leave all. They cannot leave all the time they are checking and talking to the strangers.
Hey, I am a Google. I know all the information. Even the God also knows that type of information. I know everything. I am the king of this world. Hi, it's me Snapchat. I'm the model of the world. My work is to send the snaps to one person to another person. I will taking the pictures, chatting and talking with unkind of people. It's a common to convert their mind. It is my work. Good evening guys. I am a Facebook. This Instagram, Snapchat, all are started for me. I can show anything. Even anyone will be fast and flat. All are my friends. In every time all are joining my page. Friends, welcome. Let's join with me. This is a word. So here is one family has suffered using of mobile. Mummy Rohita, Father Aisha, Daughter Shaista, Dr. Maria. Mommy, tomorrow is my maths exam. Please help me, Mommy. No, my dear, I have some work. No, I am busy. Go and ask your father. Okay, Mommy. Daddy, tomorrow is my maths exam. Please help me, Daddy. Sorry, dear, I am already late for office. I will become evening after we will discuss, okay? Okay, Daddy. After evening, her dad come home. Daddy, please help me, Daddy. Today I am very tired. I have some work. Go and ask your mama. Mommy, please speak, Mommy. Mommy, please speak, Mommy. Okay, dear, go and sit in your room. I will come. Okay, Mommy, I wait you come first, okay? After she went and taking the mobile and searching of watching videos.
आलू कच्चा आलू बेटा कहाँ गए थे बैगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे बैगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे
What happened here? What are you looking here? Go and call the doctor. Hello doctor, where are you? Come here. Here is an emergency. What happened, doctor? Calm down, sir. Nothing to worry. Please avoid the mobile. Your daughter uses a mobile that she is going to this condition. Now she wants parents' care, please. Motivate her to go in the right way. She needs with the time with their relations. Please avoid this mobile. Okay, doctor. Thank you. We will take care now. From today, we will take care of our children. What going? All are silent in their social media, not taking situations. Nowadays, people are changing in a difficult condition. On social media, we have unwasted things from society. We have to take one step of children in future if there is right or wrong. Okay, doctor. Thank you for showing the right pathway to change ourselves. Thank you. Welcome, it's my pleasure.
After this condition, they take care of their children. So please avoid mobiles and take care of your children. So don't want to give the children to mobile. Please avoid the mobile. This is a message for declaring to parents. Not give them mobiles.
you are giving these all time mobiles, your children are getting to this condition. So please avoid mobiles. Thank you.
Now I invite 6th class Baba brother come and give speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Bakar. I am studying 6th class. My school name is Baba Brothers English Medium School. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrating 14th November Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru, affectionately Chacha, was known as Chacha Nehru, was born to Motilal Nehru and Sarupa Prani to school in Allahabad in November 14th, 1889. Today we gather to honor one of India's iconic most leaders, Jawaharlal Nehru, who served as the first Prime Minister of our nation, known as affectionately was Chacha Nehru. He dreams of an India that was free, modern and prosperous. He was a strong advocate for education and scientific advancement. Affectionately Chacha Nehru by children, he believed importance of the nutrients, young minds. He championed education and encouraged creativity. All the children are the futures of our country. Jawaharlal Nehru legacy continues to inspire us. His dreams of India remind his want to together for progress, unity and peace. So once again I am saying Happy Children's Day. Thank you for giving this opportunity. రామతులమంటే ఉండే తెలుసు బద్దు నుంచి ఏమీ లేదు ఏమో చెప్పు నీలాగే నాకు కూడా పెద్దలు ఒక ప్రశ్న అడిగారు ఏం ప్రశ్న చెప్తావా చెప్తా లెక్కించలేని చుక్కలను ఏమంటారు ఇంకోసారి లెక్కించలేని చుక్కలను ఏమంటారు పిల్లల్ని అడుగునా సరే అడుగు పిల్లలు లెక్కించలేని చుక్కలను ఏమంటారు నమ్ముతుందా నశిస్తారంట ఇంత చిన్న జవాబా నాకు రానే రాలే ఎంత తెలివైన పిల్లలు చూడు సరైన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గెలవస్తా ఓకే నమ్ముతుందా Hello. Now I am inviting 6th class Umar Farooq come and give speech. Respected chief guest, my name is Umar Farooq. I am studying 6th class. My school name is Baba Brothers English Medium School. Respected chief guest, principal, teacher, and my dear friends, today we are celebrating Children's Day on November 14th every year. Children's Day in India celebrated on November 14th. Places special place in the hearts of millions. It's a day to honor and appreciate and the future of our nation. We can take tribute to the welfare and the development of children in India, who was affectionately inspired to write Chacha Nehru by children born on November 14th. By children born on November 14th, 1889. Thank you, Jimmy, for listening.
मुस्कान मैडम to
अब तो प्रोग्राम खत्म होने वाला है, मुझे एक शायरी बोलने दो।
हाँ बोलो।
कल है तो आज जैसा, महल है तो ताज जैसा, फूल है तो गुलाब जैसा, और दोस्त है तो मेरे जैसा, और कचरा है तो तेरे जैसा। मैं भी एक शायरी बोलूंगा। जली को आग कहते हैं, पूजी को राख कहते हैं। जली को आग कहते हैं, पूजी को राख कहते हैं। जो मेरे दोस्त के पास नहीं उसे दिमाग कहते हैं।
Hello. Okay. So respected for the chief guest and dear parents and my colleague teachers and students. Once again I am saying to the Happy Children's Day. Okay. So we are nicely celebrated this month Children's Day. Okay. So what is some important points I am saying to the about you? So chief guest sir is saying to the more important points. What is the childhood? What is the meaning of the mother? What is the meaning of the teacher? Everything is a point wise he is explaining for the chief guest. Here see, small children are how they had to learn each and every speech. Within 2 days only, the children have completed this one program. Within 2 days, we are not taking the more time. Within 2 days, this one drama, everything they had to complete it. So children is more knowledge is there. So you have to give the support for the parents also I am saying to you. So what? Nowadays more children that are using to the mobile. So mobile is more using. So they are giving to the father, mother or colleagues. So when we are taking the mobile, so must ensure all members we have to avoid the mobiles. Don't want to give the mobiles. So mobiles are using to the sometimes only. That is the important purpose only we are using to the mobile. So children is the tomorrow citizens they are said in immunology. Knowledge is given to the more respect for the children. Children is more knowledge is there. So we have to follow the knowledge. So get successful in the life of the future. They are reaching the goal. What they are saying? When your parents, teachers give the support for the students, must ensure the children is reach the goal. Because his ambition is as a doctor, as a teacher, as a lawyer, as your wish. What you are thinking in your heart, the children is reach that one goal. So once again I am saying to parents, so give the support of the student. Must ensure we have to send the children regularly for the school. Don't be absent. One day he is absent means he is only lost for the each and every minimum 8 classes he is losing. So this is I am saying to the once again for the children, Happy Children's Day.
Now I am inviting Muskan madam to say out of thanks.
Thank you so much to all the teachers and well-wishers for your unwavering support and encouragement. So, thanks the speakers for things like entertainment, values, sacrifice, obvious preparation, information gained. Thanks for the chief guests and the teachers for sparing time for their busy schedule to grace the occasion. I am really thankful to giving the time attending this event. Thank you so much and once again Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Okay children, do you want to sit? Just 5 minutes in your place. So just 5 minutes only. Afterwards I am sending you with your parents. Okay ma? Don't make the noise. For your names of you, are you good children?